Good morning students, welcome to EduWiki. I hope all of you must be quite relaxed now after the CBSE has declared the results. At the same time a little bit worried too, as you are out of school now and you don't even know where to go after 2 to 3 months when hopefully the situation gets better and the session starts. Let me tell you that every year more than 1 crore students pass their 12th class exams and around 12 to 12.5 lakh students appear for JEE. This year also the number is almost the same. Now if you look at the number of total seats in 23 IITs, which is around 14,000, 31 NITs 19,000, GFTIs is another 4,000 and triple IT is also around 4,000, the total would be around 40 to 41,000. Therefore, out of around 12 lakh students who have applied for JEE, only 40,000 or say at the maximum 50,000 will be getting admissions. The remaining 11.5 lakh students and also those who wish to go for engineering but haven't applied for JEE, they should have a clear-cut plan ready so that they don't have to decide at the last moment as to which college or university to go for, because I think by that time it would be too late, as you will not have enough opportunities to go to a reasonably good institute of the college. So students, today we will be discussing about some of the good engineering colleges or institutes which you should definitely consider and apply for as a backup plan. And let me tell you that this video is not sponsored. So students, first on the list is Shiv Nadar University. Shiv Nadar University is a private multidisciplinary research institute which was started in 2011 in Dadri near Noida. The university has been started by Mr. Shiv Nadar, who is the founder and chairman of HCL. Excellent infrastructure, experienced faculty, research driven and very good placements. A lot of scholarship for meritorious students are also there. In my top list definitely will be one of the best colleges in the coming years. If you have got more than 80 percentile marks in your JEE mains, you can directly apply, and if you have got less than that, you can apply through their SNU SAT exam, the last date of which is 20th July, so you have got only 2 days, and mind you, there are no management or paid seats in this college. Second on the list is Vellore. You must have heard about VIT University, which is in Tamil Nadu. The NIRF ranking by Ministry of HRD, Government of India for this year, for this college is 15th. The university was established in 1984 and recognized by Government of India as an institute of eminence. Huge infrastructure, good placements, nice campus. The minimum eligibility criteria is minimum 60% in PCM. And the last date of getting admission has been recently extended. Third on the list is Jamia Millia Islamia. NIRF ranking again, which used to be 19th 2 years back, has come down to 28th, but still a good university. The last date has been extended to 31st of July. You have to apply through your JEE main score, but then you have to file a separate application to the university also. You can go to their website for further details. Fourth on the list is BITS Pilani, Birla Institute of Technology and Science. It's also a very prestigious institute in Rajasthan, a deemed university and another institute of eminence for higher education and research. Fortunately, the last date here has been extended due to COVID. The college has got 3 campuses, and the admissions to the BE course are done through their own entrance, which is called BITSAT, which is an online exam this year, and the total takers are approximately 3 lakh students. All first rank students of central or state boards can directly get admission to BITS as per their choice of branch and campus. Now, fifth on the list is Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, which was earlier called as Thapar University. It's a private institute deemed to be university in Patiala, Punjab, was founded in 1956, and the last date to apply here has been extended to 31st July. The college has got A grade in the NAC accreditation this year, and admissions are done through JEE mains and 12th class marks. The minimum eligibility here is minimum PCM or physics, maths and biology. You should have at least 70% marks. Another few institutes like UPES, which is the University of Petroleum and Energy Science, Dehradun. The last date here has been extended to 11th of August and the minimum eligibility is 50% PCM. You can look for SRMIT also, which was earlier called as SRM University. It's also a very good university, and the last date has been extended here also. Then you can look for JP Institute of Information Technology, Noida, which is a UGC recognized deemed university and was founded in 2001. This university is founded by the JP Group and has got 2 campuses in Noida and Solan. You can look for Manipal Institute of Technology also for their Manipal and Jaipur campus. Then you must have applied for AKTU also, wherein you can find some very good colleges like AKG and JSS, which you should definitely consider. Now for timely updates and notifications, follow us on Instagram. The handle is given on the screen as well as in the description box. Our next video is going to be for the NEET aspirants. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. On this note, EduWiki is signing off. Stay tuned. Goodbye.